Okay, chicken fajitas is the meal that we are going to be making today. In your bag, you should have 1 pound of chicken breasts. And we're just going to start this off by slicing up our green and red peppers. Now, the easiest way to do this is take it by the stem and cut down and around it. And this will naturally cut away the seeds in the lining. Then you just slice them up. Okay, and add the whole pepper to your bag. And then we'll do the same with the green pepper. Cut it down around the stem. And then we'll just slice it up. Okay, we'll then be adding your onions. Minced garlic. Salsa. And a ½ tablespoon of honey, which you could measure. I just like to eyeball it. It cuts down on the mess, and it doesn't hurt anything if you go over or under. And the last thing is our dried spices, which include chili powder, cumin, and salt. Okay, this meal is now done. We're just gonna seal it, press out all the air, and this meal is now ready for your freezer.